Hello and welcome to Wish Digital. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. My name is Ishmael and I'm the CEO of Wish Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to update your own website. So we use a specialized platform. We do not use WordPress, which is what most of our competition use, which makes it very, very hard for you to be able to do all your own updates. So this is the dashboard. So it is a cloud-based dashboard, which means that you can update your website from any browser with an internet connection. So I'm going to just show you around. So once we build your website, we do have very high standards. As you can see, you are able to log in and update everything yourself. So we'll just start with the side panel. So on the side panel here, you've got your pages, which basically show you all the pages. So if you wanted to update the About Us page, just click on that there and you can go right in there. So you can basically click just one right click and you can change the text there and make all of your changes. Okay, so I'm going to just go over some of the widgets as well. So before I do that, so you can see here, if you wanted to change this particular image, you just click on the edit here and then go edit design. And you've got your image here, and then you can just go plus to the image, and that will allow you to upload your own images. So at the very top here, you've got all the pre-uploaded images, and then we can click on upload image, and then you can just choose whichever image you want from your browser. So let's go ahead and upload one of these images. So then you just click upload, and that will automatically upload the image, and it will also resize that image for you as well, so it is web friendly. So once it's uploaded, then you can actually click on that and choose what image you would like. So we'll just wait for that to finish uploading. Okay, so I'll just cancel that so we don't change anything here, and we'll go back. And we'll just click out of there. And if you wanted to change any of the spacing, you just click on the spacing here, and you can bring that up or down with the image there as well. So you can bring it up or down, and everything is editable. Okay, all right. So, okay, let's just continue. We'll go to the widgets. Now, the sites that we build, you're able to add images, image sliders. So for example, here's an image slider here. We'll just drag that there, and insert that there, and then you can basically create the buttons, or we'll just go design and we'll get rid of those buttons. So we'll just have it without the buttons. It's nice and simple. And we can add some images. So we'll just add some preloaded images here. Okay. And then we click on the design section, and you can put a border around that, and so you've got the arrows here, so they'll automatically dissolve, and you can choose your different dissolves, where if you'd like it to move from side to side, you've got different transitions here. So then that will move from side to side, and that will basically go automatically. So we'll just have another look at that. Okay. So that's all set automatically to autoplay. So that's very nice, and that also comes in the tablet mode. So you can click on that there and take a look, and you can click on the mobile version as well. So it is multi-screens that we make, which means that it is desktop, tablet, and mobile. Okay, any changes that you didn't want, you can just click undo here as well. Now, if you're ready to publish this, very simple. You make your changes and then you just click republish. It's that simple. So there's no passwords, FTP. We've designed this so it is very simple and easy to update yourself. Okay, so we'll go back to the widgets, and we'll just explore those. So if you want to add another paragraph, you can just drag and drop that in there, and then type away and choose different sizes and choose different fonts as well. And so it's a lot like Microsoft Word in that way. And there we go. So we'll just delete that for now. Go back to the widgets. So you can also drag an image anywhere you like. So if you want to pop that there, that's done. And if you want to delete it, just click on the X and it's gone. Okay, other features. You have got the click to call, so that's the mobile version. So you just click on that there. So you've got the mobile and add a click to call. So that's call us now, and you can change that to call us today. We'll make that all capital. Call us today. And you can, if you don't like that particular color, then you can just go down here and change that. Let's go for this color, and when you hover over that, you can have the hover color, go with a darker black. There we go. Okay, so now when you hover over that, it goes black. So it's nice and simple. So we'll keep that, and we'll go back to the desktop version. Okay, so you'll see that's appearing there on the desktop version as well, which we don't want. So what we'll do is we just click on that there, or right click on that, and just choose to hide on tablet and hide on desktop. So now it only appears on the mobile version. Okay, so let's go back to our widgets and see what other things we can do. Okay, so these are the popular ones. So if you want to create a particular button, you can just drag that on there. You can name the button. So if you want it to say read more and direct customers to a particular page, you can go here, or it might say go to our gallery in this case. Now, by default, we've set that up as orange. So I'm just going to change that to that grey, and on the hover button, we'll just make it black. Okay, so there we go. Go to our gallery. Okay, so we'll go back to the widgets and see what else we can do. Okay, so if you want to add a particular contact form, just basically drag that there, and you can basically add more fields here as well. So if we wanted to make that, say, let's go down here, you can choose radio buttons. You can also choose date if a customer wants to decide what date they want to make a booking. Okay, and submission settings will show you the email that it's going to. Okay, so that's done. So if we preview that now, you can preview it, and it shows you a nice date there where the customers can pop that in there. So we'll just go back and go undo, and that will basically undo the last thing that you did. In this case, I'm just going to quickly delete the row. Okay, so we'll go back to the widgets. Okay, so what else can we do? So if you wanted to create a format where it's in two formats, say a image and text, then you've got your format there. So what we just did there is we added these two columns. So then you can just drag and drop an image in there. So let's choose that one there, and then we can drag and drop some text. So we'll just go with the popular paragraph and pop that in there. So then you can type whatever you like in that section as well. So again, I'm just going to delete that because this site is already built. Okay, we'll go back to the widgets. So you can also add videos as well, which is great. So video is a very powerful thing to have on your website. So we just insert there, and you just simply go to your YouTube page, copy the website URL, and then paste that straight in there, and that will basically accommodate YouTube videos as well as Vimeo. Okay, so it's that simple. Now, if you wanted to sell some products on your site, you can do that as well. So this is particularly good if you're visiting a client and you can turn your mobile phone into a mobile merchant. So we can just add a PayPal button here. So let's just insert that there. And you put in your PayPal username. So I'll just put in mine. So it's just the email that you put in. So, okay, and then you put in your items, so whatever service it is, let's say painting service, painting 3-bedroom package. Okay, change it to Australian dollar, and let's say 3-bedroom package, say costs $400, well, let's say $800. Okay, and so that's all fine as default. Invalid number. Okay, let's just get rid of the $sign. Okay, so from there, that's basically set up. So then you would just add a paragraph on top of that. That would say 3-bedroom painting package. Make it capital, and we'll center that in there. Okay, so if we preview that now, a customer can go to the website and say, I like this package. Well, obviously you'd write the price as well in the text. So they'd go straight there, and then they can pay via PayPal. If they don't have a PayPal account, then they can pay via their credit card as well. So let's just go back there. Okay, so if we have a look at the mobile version, so if you're, let's say, having a little trouble getting some payment from a client, you can add this in, and then when you go visit them, just hand them their phone and just say, all you have to do is click on Buy Now, and that will make the payment as well using PayPal, which PayPal only take a 3% surcharge, which is very low. I consider that as very low considering you've just created a merchant facility. Okay, so we'll go back to the desktop version, and now you do also have the option to create a complete store with this technology as well. There is a minor upgrade as well in price for that, and it gives you basically, first of all, the package is 100 products to sell, and then it goes up from there. So that's a complete store with where customers can go to the checkout and they can keep adding to their bag as well. So we won't go fully into that, but that is also there as well. We also allow you to sell e-goods. So if you did have videos that you'd like to sell, we've done this in the past for different companies where we've created them a video, or if they already have a video, we set that up so customers can purchase the video via PayPal. They automatically get sent an email with a link to download the video, and we can set that to last for 2 hours or 4 hours or whatever you like as well. So for business, you've got all these options: click to call, the map button, which is fantastic because on the mobile version they just click find us and it'll automatically take your customers directly to your shop. So you've got all the open table if you wanted to do online bookings, business hours, multiple locations, and we've even got coupons in there as well. So if you wanted to build in coupons into your business. All the social media icons are all there as well. So there's really nothing that you cannot do. You can do everything with this platform. And as you can see, it's really very, very easy to update yourself. And that's the most important thing that I like to give our clients from Wish Digital, is the ability to easily update everything. So if you've got an image gallery and you've taken some new pictures, rather than paying your designer to do all this, you can quickly log in and just click on your images here. If you wanted to delete any, you just click X. You can move images around if you want them in a different format. And again, you just upload the new images. You can either upload them from your computer, or if they're already there, you can just select that and bam, it's in there again. So we'll just remove that. So once it's done, then you just click republish, and it is that simple. So please feel free to contact us if you've got any questions. We're here to help. As I mentioned, we have a very high standard. We also like to incorporate video into the sites as well. So you've got that video that is immersive. So I'll bring up one of the websites that we've built so you can see where we incorporate the immersive video as well. Okay, so you can see here, we're really wanting to give your customers the best experience and really heighten your brand. So you can see here we've got the immersive video going in the background, which is lovely. So we also are very experienced in marketing. So the way we format the websites, we can assist you with your marketing. You've also, within the dashboard, have got another feature called Insight. Now, if I go here, I won't go into great details with the Insight, but you can add banners at the very top. So with it coming up to Easter, you might do your whole marketing for the year and create an Easter special, create a Melbourne Cup special, create a Christmas special. So you basically set it and forget it, and that will appear as a top banner at the very top that will appear on a particular date and disappear. So you can really organize your marketing at the very start of the year and have it all set to appear on your website, which is fantastic. Now the dashboard also has an SEO setting. So here we've basically put in the title, Sunshine Coast Brisbane Painting, description that will come under Google, and we've put in all the keywords. So we'd ask you to, being the expert in your business, to basically take a little bit of time and just type out everything that you think that your customers will be typing in to look up your website, and then that's pasted into the back end of the SEO section in the dashboard. We also add your website to Google and Bing, and that will take effect as well and help you with your SEO. You've also got the ability to add a blog, and you can personalize everything. You can change the format as well. So here we go. So we've got lots of different, so this is the Insight. So if you wanted to basically create all of those, you can create forms that appear for just for the first time visit, where customers can subscribe, and we incorporate, if you use say MailChimp to build a email database, we incorporate that as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to really taking your business to the next level with Wish Digital. Thank you.